kindergartners, it's me, Mrs. Schumacher. I'm sorry I missed weeks 4 and 5 or 5 and 6 sending you messages. It's been kind of busy around here. The Schumachers, we all got sick one weekend, and then now we've been busy packing because we're moving to a new house, which is super exciting for our family, but kind of crazy around here. I'm here to remind you to do your, hope you're still doing your summer challenge from Mr. Cox, which is to read, write, do math, and play outside and exercise every day. And it's not too late to start. If you haven't done it, you can jump right in right now and start where you are. And today I'm here with Grace and Lucy, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about math and doing some math games. So you don't have to be doing like math worksheets or doing math on your iPad. There's lots of fun things you can do to learn math that are games. So today, Grace and Lou and we are going to talk to you a little bit about 3 different math games, card games. So the first one I want to talk to you about is a game called Rat-a-tat-cat. And this is a number game where everyone gets 4 cards that plays, and you get a peek at 2 of them, and the object of the game is to keep your cards low. You want low numbers, so like a 0, a 1, or a 2 or 3. Those are the lowest cards you can get. And the rats are 9 points. And so when you think you have the lowest cards out of the group, you say rat-a-tat-cat, and then everyone gets 1 more turn, and then you turn your cards over and everybody adds up the numbers on their cards, and the person who has the lowest number wins. And one time when we were playing this game with the girl's aunt, we call her our Titi, she said rat-a-tat-tooey-cat. And so sometimes we laugh when we play that game. But this one is super fun. So yeah, this is one game. All right, the next person is going to be Lucy. And I'm going to flip the camera here. And Lucy's going to tell you a little bit about a game that we like to play. Hang on, I can't figure out how to flip the camera. Okay, I might have to just show it to you like this. Okay, Lou, tell us about your game.
This is a game called Too Many Monkeys, and I got it from my Nana and Papa, my Grandpa and Grandma, and I call them Nana and Papa. And it's a really fun game. And I want to show you something. So we start with 6 cards out, and then should I show them? Sure. And then there's some cards like this, do not disturb, and you could flip someone else's card over if it's already up. And this means you can dig through the pile. You could dig through the
discard pile. And what's the object of your game, Lucy? What do you want to do? How do you win that game?
You try to get like, if I drawed a 1 from here, I could put a 1 there, and then I could put 2 or 3, and you try to get all the way up to 6. And a monkey, you can put it anywhere, and he swings.
And it's working on number order, right? Mm-hmm. 1 through 6. And if you're the person that gets out 1 through 6, how many cards do you get the next time?
5. And there's a wild monkey, and there's a skip one.
Yeah, so that's a really fun game. Thanks, Lou, for sharing that.
And there's a skip card that skips your turn right away.
Yes. All right, can you show them the cover so they can see what that game looks like?
And this is why it's a super fun game.
It's called Too Many Monkeys. They're all jumping on a bed.
And he was having a good sleep until his friend came for a pajama party.
Yes. All right, and the next person that's going to share with you is Grace. And Grace, what game are you going to talk about today?
I'm going to talk about Sleeping Queens. This is a really fun game too. So if you get 3 queens, if you get a king, I have some pictures of 3 kings. If you get a king, that means you can wake up a queen. And this queen means that you can, sorry about that, you can, this queen means that you can draw 2 queens, because this one has a magic power that you can draw 2 queens.
And what's the object of your game?
The object of my game is to
add the number of points?
Add the numbers of points.
On the queens, right?
On the queens. So if you get, if all 3 of us were playing, we would get a
You try to get to 40.
Yeah, you try to get to 40. So
A way to get rid of your cards.
is to do some equations, and you can lay them in the drop pile.
So show that equation, and can you say that to them? What's the equation?
So 5 plus 3 equals 8.
And then you would get 3 new cards, right, to wake up queens.
And so
Well, we don't need to tell what all of them are worth, but maybe just maybe choose 2 of those that you want to talk about.
the king.
The knight.
The knight steals a queen, and if you have a dragon, that goes for it. And then here's my last example. So if you want to put a queen to sleep, this can stop the queen. Thank you. Bye.
All right, so I'm going to show you one more time what games that we like to play for math. The first one is Rat-a-tat-cat, where you're trying to get low numbers. And the next one is Too Many Monkeys, where you're trying to put the cards in order, number order. And the last one is Sleeping Queens. Oh, Grace, do you want to say who you got Sleeping Queens from?
Oh, I got Sleeping Queens from my teacher, Miss Wolf. Probably you guys know her.
Yeah, from Mrs. Wolf. She gave us Sleeping Queens, and so the object of Sleeping Queens is to collect queens, add up their totals. All right. I will check in with you guys again next week. Hope you all are having a great summer. I miss you. Love you.